Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll show you the steps required to run 2 instances of League of Legends in ASTER Workplaces. So I'll assume that you have installed the game and it's fully updated and ready to play, and that you have 2 Riot client accounts ready to be used. So let's get started. I've already installed Riot client and the game is ready to play. And the first step that we have to do is create a desktop shortcut for Riot client. I already have one, but I'm going to create a second one because I'm going to add some additional parameters to it. So the shortcut has been created here. Now I'm going to open the properties for the shortcut, and then here I'm going to give a space, then 2 hyphens, allow dash multiple dash clients. Like this. I just created the shortcut. Right click properties and add the hyphen allow multiple clients at the end. So let me head over to the second workplace. Let me delete the previous shortcut that I created. Let me go back to the Riot client services. I'm going to create a desktop shortcut. So more properties, send to desktop. So the shortcut is created here. Let me close and properties, and as earlier we will add here hyphen allow multiple. Now 2 shortcuts have been created on the desktop for each workplaces, and we may now run it on the first workplace. And earlier I had logged into the Riot client account and checked the keep me signed in checkbox, so the account automatically logged in. If you also want it to auto login, then make sure to check the keep me logged in or keep me signed in checkbox when you log in for the first time. So let me on the Riot client on the second workplace. Here also I have checked the option, that's why it's auto logged in. Now League of Legends is ready to play, and let me head over to first workplace. And League of Legends is ready to play. So before we play, we have to make some changes, and so let me open the installation directory to make the changes that are required. Riot Games, and then League of Legends. On the game folder, and we have here League of Legends.exe. Now I'm going to rename this to something other than League of Legends. Let me set it to 333.exe. When you run the game from Riot client or using the League client, it will look for the League of Legends.exe and not the 333.exe. So we have to create a symlink for the renamed exe as League of Legends.exe. To do that, we will be using a small script which is renamed as lolbat here. Let me show you the content here. And the content goes like this. The first line is run the bat file as administrator so that there are no issues performing the commands. Now second line will delete the League of Legends.exe if it's present, and every time you run the Riot client, then it will repair the game, which will re-download the League of Legends.exe. So we have to delete that, and then after deleting the League of Legends.exe, this line will create the symlink from the 333.exe that I renamed. It will create the link to League of Legends.exe. You have to run this once every time you want to play the game if there is League of Legends.exe. If it's already symlinked, then you don't have to run it again. So let me run it, and you will see that it asked for UAC. This means it needed the admin privilege, and I will click yes, and the command has run. Now let me press any key here. Now you can see the League of Legends.exe has changed to a symlink instead of an application. Now we are ready to run the game. So on the first workplace, I'm going to click play, and the Riot client minimizes. Let me go to the second workplace and click on play. Same here, the Riot client minimizes. The League of Legends client is running. Now in the first workplace, League client has started. It's ready for play, and on the second workplace also it's ready for play. Now I'm going to click play on the first workplace. Similarly, play on the second workplace. Now in this video I'll show you joining a custom game, but you can try this with PPB or co-op versus AI or training. So I'm going to create the create the game, custom game in my first workplace, and confirm, and I'm going to invite my second account to join on this. And here on my second account I have the game invite here. The game has been joined, and in the first workplace I can start the game. Let me choose random Since these are new accounts, I don't have any unlocked heroes. In both of the workplaces, I've selected the hero and I'm going to load the game now. Please note that if you experience any crashes or freezing, then change the League of Legends settings to windowed mode. That way you will not experience crashing. So as you can see here, the game has started in my second workplace. Now let me go to first, and as you can see the game is here. I can control it. Similarly on the second workplace, I can control the game with keyboard and mouse. Going to the first workplace, and as you can see, I'm getting a decent FPS. I'm using a Ryzen APU in mini PC from Minisforum, that is UM790, that has the AMD 780 integrated graphics, and I'm getting around 170 FPS average in both of the workplaces. So these are the steps that you have to follow in order to allow League of Legends to run in more than one workplace. If you have any question, then don't forget to mention in the comment below. And thank you for watching this video, and have a good day.